much.
All right, come on, Tennessee. Come on, Tennessee, John Deere fans.
Woohoo!
Yep.
Boy, I'll tell you,
They're fixing to
these
replay.
Mid-South tractors are playing hardball here tonight.
There's the sand pile lights. That's sand pile.
I wondered what was going on. Me too.
It's the sand pile lights.
They
Dadgum.
never had sand pile lights before.
Dadgum.
All right, Brad Woods out of Jackson, Tennessee. The Thunderstruck fans, one more time. Let's give a nice round of applause. New leader.
That's all right.
He didn't win
Randy's
the whole
going
thing.
to make the final.
Yeah.
Looks like.
No, I just can't tell you what Christy just
Well, guys,
said.
I'm up here in section 313 with my new friend.
Okay, you're going to the finals. You know, you got number 2 spot. It's going to be red and green. You can already tell that's coming down the line. It's going to be red and green. What is going to be your steps? I mean, I know you're going to check things over, but you're looking at any changes you think from what you felt tonight. Kind of tell the crowd a little bit about what your steps are going to be for the next 3 days.
There's going to be a little change of strategy. Brad and I have been battling it out all year, so he deserves that.
You'll give him this one you're taking Saturday night. Is that what you're saying?
Right.
Oh, really?
Sits underneath this machine. Let's see if Speed Bunny can do it here tonight.
Turns. Golly. Woo! He sent some valves through it.
Posting results. A lot of people posting the results.
What's
Social
right there?
media
Right there.
is
See
so,
it
so
spark?
important. And that, I got a feeling he's going to be working on a motor.
Oh.
That's not good.
What was that?
All right, Lucas Oil, slick this.
Daddy ho.
Child out of Michigan, Bob Joestar, ready to go to work.
You don't need feet to kick butt, just wings. Look at the big screen. Look at the big screen. I like it. You don't need feet to kick butt, just wings.
Machine, here we go.
I watched it. Part of the end of it on Carlos live feed.
Oh.
Hot's loose.
Or
He heard it.
whatever was.
Oh, dadgum, boy. He had a
So I
run
watched it on
going.
my
Be
TV.
able to catch it. A lot of blow by out of one outlet.
Come out of that front motor on the left over there. Do you see it?
Coming from low, real low.
He's
I'm
all
gonna say it's fixable real quick.
Yeah, we can fix that. And if,
Not a problem.
and if we can't, my brother's the engine builder.
See it out there?
All right, Vince, one more time. Let's
Look,
go.
Was
those
it a
back
first
tires
down?
are all black.
Here tonight. Here we go.
Good gosh. He didn't wait for nothing.
It was like a mini ride. Like, extra idling. See what?
Here we go.
Ooh! Shut it down.
Right motor.
Left motor.
Oh, I guess.
The rear motor
The
is the one
pop
that
there,
lost
and
the
then we see
blower.
the flash.
There in front.
Yeah, but at this point, the blower is already loose on the back motor.
Yeah, they'll be they will be looking for motor parts for that made it to the finals. But I promise you, that motor,
Ooh,
the head,
it is
or
up.
both.
Watch that back.
Yeah, wait.
Wayne told you, damn it.
I didn't believe him. Sorry, Wayne. I didn't think he knew what he was talking about.
That's not the first.
Sorry, Wayne. I trust you now. My bad.
That's not the first time. I'm used to it.
I was looking at it.
I'm just the guy that don't talk loud enough and don't know what he's talking about.
Oh, look, it is up. He was, Wayne was right.
Would you look at that?
If you're lucky enough to make it, we'll get back.
There you go. I'd like to hear it.
Sorry, Wayne. Oh,
There's a,
that's drive shaft.
it is a drive shaft. See that back clutch?
Oh my gosh.
He won't be in the finals.
Is everybody okay? Dang.
Wow.
Ouch.
I don't
That
think they're
sucks.
supposed to be curved like that, is it?
No,
Don't think that's also not supposed to.
that's supposed
not
to be a
on
straight shaft.
Not today.
Things left in a hurry.
See that race on that shaft?
Mm-hmm.
All right, fans. Well, a tough luck round
That's
of
fixed.
applause here
Look
for
at
Rick
that
Long. He's
shaft.
got his helmet
It
on.
ain't straight
It's
either.
been too. It just
That's
didn't
the
fit.
flexion that frame caused that and put undue stress on that bearing in that aluminum key.
Watch this.
Then we will move on to our final class of the
Where
night.
did it
That's
go?
went up over the
I
stack.
see it now.
Golly.
6-3.
It hit the weight box.
Tonight, see that drive
Right.
line.
It may have hit him.
If it hit his
The shields
hand, he would have pulled
held
it
things
back.
down the best that they
There's that
could.
bearing.
That's the bearing come out of her. That,
Greg just won it.
Pipes are all dry. We would not have run it again, just to be up the safe side. You know, we always say, back when we had the trucks, as you know, we always said, let's make Saturday night, anything can happen. We did, and man, to come out and win with this crew, that just shows you how close everybody is, and everybody's laying it on the table.
As you said, it's Louisville. Now I'm gonna break away a little bit. I'm gonna get my camera. I'm gonna show them what you're talking about on this burst panel. When he said he got the burst panel, that is it right there. Them two holes underneath the blower is not supposed to be there. It leaned out as it had a fuel line, which leaned the motor. Therefore, it
look at
built
that
pressure
pressure.
up in the
It's
blower.
got two of
And
them.
that burst panel basically
Does he
saves
not right there?
the motor. So when we talk about it,
No, he got
I'm
two.
gonna get
The
back over here
thickness
'cause I
on
know
that
you have a
thing.
driving force right here.
The thickness on that burst panel. It looked like he had two stacked on it.
It's pretty funny. We were in the shop working the other day, and you know, we built this tractor a little less than a year ago, and you know, we've had such a great relationship with Steve, with our other tractor, and we built this one for her to drive. And she drove it all last summer, and she reminded me of that about a week ago in the shop, that she was letting me drive her tractor. So I guess I need to thank her the most to win for John Moomaw and my father-in-law. So we're ecstatic.
I understand. Ashley, do you think he's a little pumped up?
He's been pumped up for a month, Dave. And he paced around this tractor. I can't believe he missed one line. I'm telling you, he checked it at some point. It's just a fluke thing that happens, but right before this pull, he surprised me with a new back panel on the tractor. And anybody that knows my dad, or knew my dad, knew the back of his tractor always said, you don't need feet to kick butt. Well now, if you want to look at it, the new panel says, you don't need feet to kick butt, just wings.
And we showed that when you come online. So congratulations. We will be talking to y'all on Saturday night.
Take it to the sand, buddy.
There it is.
Yay.
I love that old man. He is so sweet.
John Deere fans.
looks like Brad Moss going to come up a little bit short here tonight. Come on, Red fans, let's cheer him on.
Make some noise, Red! Make some noise, Red! Come on, Red!
Got a lot of blow-by in it. Shutting down.
I heard him going downhill. Loose cannon kind of fits this guy.
It fits it. Got a brother that's got a multi-charger John Deere super stock. But this will be their shot for the weekend here. A loose cannon.
There you go.
Look at the sand falling out of it.
Now the big question, was that enough?
So what do you think the
Chandler.
chances are that Don can pull this off and take the big win tonight after seeing the run from Lance there in the Mini-Mo League?
I think it's really good. I don't know what Don has up here, but it's good.
Well, those guys will see. Our winner will be determined in this next hook.
Are they kin to them?
All right, so crew getting down.
Hoppy was kin to the Foles.
As he goes after that lead distance of 2:27.
I mean, that guy looks a little bit like Kevin. But that's David's brother, wasn't it?
You know what happened last year?
And once
Saturday
again,
night?
Don Masterson
He
stops
won.
the sled.
Well, do you know who was the last hook of the show?
Right at
He
center.
was.
Don.
You know what he did?
Right where he's
One.
going.
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing.
Got to bouncing too much. Alright guys, doing this video a little bit backwards. I'm actually driving to work Thursday morning. That was a Wednesday night stuff up at Louisville. My sister paid for the pay-per-view package, and she's not getting to go this year, but so we all was able to go over to her house and watch the show last night at her house on the TV. Just figured I'd let y'all see a little bit of that, and so you get the full experience. So that's night one. So today will be day two, and night two will hopefully I can get the video uploaded later tonight instead of it being the next day, but we'll see. So it'll be two videos today if all goes well, but we'll see how this goes. Anyway, I just wanted to let y'all see a little bit, and like and subscribe this channel. Like and subscribe to us at Wallace Motorsports. Also do go to Facebook and like our Wallace Motorsports Facebook page there, and yeah, so you can just be in tune with everything that's going on, and don't miss anything. So yeah, anyway, y'all have a blessed day, and keep God first. See ya.